You're tuned into the heartbeat of innovation, the Pioneers Hub.
All right. Maayong gabi, good evening, or magandang gabi. So my name is Jan. I am one of the VA Radio's host for tonight, and I wanted to have a little bit of introduction of why we're here and what this is all about. So, we have this Pioneers Hub. It's part of VA Radio community. So basically, um, this podcast or this channel it actually intent or we shine um, a spotlight on the founders, innovators, trailblazers, and community builders transforming the virtual assistants and freelancing industry. Our goal is to celebrate the visionaries driving impactful businesses and empower the next generation of leaders in this ever evolving field. So, if you're getting started with your virtual assistant career, trying to build your community, or at least just to hang out online, feel free to join us. And tonight, I wanted to again say thank you for investing. There's like a lot of Friday nights gimmicks or whatnot, and you choose to be with us. So it's really our honor to have you guys. And this is definitely an exciting segment. I wanted to introduce our guest. Um, our guest is Mr. Joel. He will introduce himself more later. I wanted to personally hear from him. He actually created uh, a community which is called Digibizduck. But without any further ado, let me go ahead and introduce Mr. Joel.
Thank you. Thank you. Hey, bro.
Hey,
Good evening.
bro. Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening.
Kumusta? Kumusta ang Friday?
Um, well, typical na ano no, home based. Nasa ano, tomorrow pa tong mga plans para mugawas sa
so,
to man cave.
so you usually work Monday through Friday and then take rest day Saturday, Sunday?
Nga na usually ang among setup.
All,
Kay both me
all
ni
right.
Mrs. ga work from home so
Wow,
mm,
really an opportunity, no? Especially with the gasoline, the economy. It's really a blessing, sir, no, Joel, to work from home, especially at the same. Do you do like what time do you log in, or is it flexible? How's your schedule look like as a VA?
sure. Actually flexible siya but I um um, mas ganahan ko mo work during graveyard shift as they would call it.
Uh,
Like everything is silent. You'll have your space to think about things or kay we're in the
Less
implementing
distraction.
mura tulog
Very good
tulog
insight.
guy mura
Very good insight. I think not everybody will agree, but I would definitely agree with you 1000% because I love that setup where you can just focus. Yung attention mo is really just working and
correct.
ideas. But kasi ang
Yep.
iba, di ba, they wanted to be an Australian or morning
Mm, yes.
chef. But anyhow, without further ado, Mr. Joel, why not introduce yourself so our viewers will know more about you, where your whereabouts, anything that you think
Sure.
deserve namin malaman.
Yeah, of course. Again, first of all, first and foremost, I'd like to thank the V Radio for giving me this opportunity to pay it forward. No moment jud ang atong punteriya to pay it forward with all the blessings that we get. We have to, share it to another soul, one soul at a time. Maragana. So, yeah, the name is Joel Arquina Jr. Um, taga Turil, Davao City, and at the same time Samal, Igacos. Kay both of my father is taga Samal and mama taga Davao, so I'm I'm in both worlds. And then yeah, so I started in the call center setup corporate world, for 6 years. Undergrad ko of BSIT USEP. Life happened, so that's why I focused on helping out, that um, early years na ako. So 2013 when I started working, 2019 that's when I was blessed to be given the chance to apply for a home-based VA. It was a very new murag role back then. Murag it's a VA, it's a trabaho na ano. Uh, and a friend of mine, we reconnect. A high school friend of mine, we reconnected just to play basketball because I'm a dili ko hawd pero I'm a sa tawag na um, I'm a sabay pinakakuha na term. Kanang pampasingot lang na dagan-dagan lang na basketball, no? And then we reconnected because of that. And then after, napansin ako dito lang sila sa ilahang sa ilahang murag workstation, murag home office man sila ga-work ba. And then mo to nang tanong ko about silang kuan until his girlfriend, which is his wife right now. Shout out to Ken and Ella. Thanks for kickstarting my VA journey. Ana sila na they're hiring for a virtual assistant that had a BPO experience. So murag ako ang gitawag ba. I did not bring my laptop. I didn't bring anything. Just kanang ano lang, akong mga pang basketball lang na gamit, no? And then, so, wala na ko niuli. Ella, my Ken's wife, she was upgrading her laptop. So, nagka-timing na siya extra laptop. So, ko nga, ulian na lang na ako, nabi, gamito na ako sa interview ko ugma.
Wow.
So, tuloy-tuloy na interview, and then ako na pagkaugma na interview, and then I was hired on the spot. I was created an Upwork account, invited through that employee. So I mean through that
Wow.
employer. So back then man good murag lisod mag-create, mag-sign up for Upwork. So Moto, I mean, I think it's a combination of luck and kuan siguro o kanang showing up right there and then marag immediately siguro na wala ako supply no. So yeah, moto nag-kickstart sa akong pagka VA because
Nice.
I was a generalist VA back then.
Okay. So tanan magsugod jud og general, no, and then you niche down. But
Yeah.
we'll talk further about that. But I think I agree with you, Mr. Joel. And I just a side comment, kasi most of the person or people that are in our same industry, um, they tend to say it's luck. But what I observe, it's actually just going out, not breaking bridges, diba? Kasi if you are really a good, I'd say you're developing your community, which is what you're developing now.
Mm.
Um, naa-jud siya bunga as long as your intention is really clear that I wanted to help someone. Basically, ang kuan kay ang kalibutan naman siya fairness jud, right? Ibalik jud niya sa imo ang dapat para sa imo. If you
Yeah.
just go out, do what you can control. Kumbaga
Mm.
ingana. Mao ako
I
ang understanding sa imo na share, sir. Thank you, thank you. So I wanted to actually carve out some time today, Sir Joe, to understand. This is pretty much because this radio or this segment is dedicated not to only those who are building the community, but
mm.
who are kickstarting their career as a GPA or whatever their inspiration or a skill set that they can develop
Mm.
as a foundation. So I wanted to ask some few questions, sir, about if I know you touched some part of it, like your personal journey in the virtual assistant,
Mm.
but I wanted to dig deeper more about how this foundation as a BPO transform you to your specific industry now?
Mm.
And please do share that specific industry. Asa ka nagland, asa ang sapi daw, ano pa sila?
Asa dollar, ana, sige.
Asa ang dala.
Sure, sige. I'm more than happy to share kay, of course, base di ay, no, na po yung mga listeners na they're in that spot right now. So yeah, I started sa BPO. Actually, uh, I would say na katong I would call it murag dark era, no? Dark era kay sige, jump from one company to another. Um, I already applied and worked on most of the call centers na kanang OG call centers diri sa Davao.
Okay.
Sa dagan ako lanyards, sa dagang friends, di nakakakuha na sa gani ka nga center na. Kaya looking for murag siguro well back then I was being offered man good, di ba? Uso man good to ano sa una. Ipirate
Repair.
ka ani pila day mo offer and so on. So yeah, that's when I started increasing my value. So tinood nilang ginaingon. I mean, this may not apply to everyone, but it occurred to me na the way that you can increase your value is to actually, number one, to evaluate yourself first. No? Ngano man ka deserving nga na value. So ako, the skill that I had back then was my comms, but I did not have any sales mindset or yan. Ako lang, kabalo lang ko mo istorya, mga good. Kay, na-practice siguro sa school and so on. So, moto, I brought it to my sa akong BPO years, and then most of the, if not all, most of the accounts nga ako ang na-workan kay na a bit of sales, no? So, tagaan ko opportunity to understand that selling kay dili din na siya scam tanan. No? When you sell something, it means that you are solving a problem. Motong mindset na dapat ano, and that occurred to me na sakto ra pod because ang mga tao nga mapalit sa service or sa product are those that are looking for answers or solution to their problems, di ba? So dito ang mindset na butang na you must be coming from the place of help instead of thinking na kailangan ko ibaligya ni. Ang ako ginaisip, ngano man na dapat ni siya paliton. Ana. So mo to ang ako mindset coming into katong mga sales na ako na accounts. And then kato na 2019 na na vehicle but with that customer service na ano gali na customer service spirit in me, and then adto na first na ako na role was I was an EA, executive assistant to the CEO. So there was no automation or any technical skills involved.
Manual 2019, so manual po ni mga email checking.
Okay, so
scheduling.
So good thing sir na imo siyang i-bring up kay kadto nga manual, and then they were using platforms that have automation features. So ang akong gibuhat is that I looked up for any possibility na automate siya, and then ako ang iingon sa akong CEO, and then pag mo-agree siya dito i-implement nato nga na ginagmay na automation kay I love first of all BS IT mo ko undergrad, so dili ko overwhelm ka ng technical. So kato siya, and then so I did it, but I kept moving even though na ako'y clients Upwork back then. I kept moving, I kept sending proposals, I kept showing up to interviews because I was only spending 4 hours a day dito ka sa first na role. So I thought to myself, I still have time, no? Kaya wala pa baby, I'm all my efforts are for myself. So sa akong mga dula na. So why not look for clients sa base day na pa. So mo to, I started sending proposals and so on. until I landed to a prospect na, or to a client, actually, na client na ako siya, na he was using Go High Level GHL. And
Okay.
kato siya, so mga ako siguro ni early 2020 or mga mid 2020 ana siguro. So
Okay.
ano ko sa dito ko na fall in love somewhat sa Go High Level kaya okay naagi day ni siya para sa ako na ano na system or na CRM. Pero di wala pa ko na ano ato CRM good DHL good per se. Okay, I didn't know that it was a premium skill. No, I know that CRM or that tool exists, pero I didn't na naagid ay GHL expert just for that
Oo.
just for that tool. And then mo to fast forward dagan ako na clients na both general DA mga nana mo to akong ano sa una akong roles na gina-applyan and then customer service code until mga ano siguro mga 2022 na I realized na as I was looking for kuan kanang upskilling na-realize na ko na found out na ako na well you could really kuan kanang charge some more sa being digital expert. So dito na ko I didn't look back, I zeroed in on the skill, refreshed myself on the current trends and sa mga gina-automate, you know, the kuan murag kanang the ins and outs of Go High Level. And so I think that was my, I would say, breakthrough. No, kay mas napadali sa ko ang mga apply kay instead of looking for anything, you know, that would fit my ano ang akong mga skill set, nakuan ko na funnel lang ko sa Go High Level. So akong yung mga ginapangita na karon Go High Level or since then, mga Go High Level na. So that made submitting proposals way easier. And then, ang mga client na ako kay nag-charge medyo mas taas. Pero mas ang workload kay I don't feel like working at all. Mura lang siya ano yun
All right, awesome.
And then fast forward 2026. I didn't look back.
The year. Wala na ka nag-apply sa mga BPO, sir?
Wala na,
joke
sir.
lang, joke lang.
Hindi na kami mapag, hindi na ako kaya doon, hindi na ko imagine.
Kasi ba na ibag-o nga tukod, ay, applyan lang ako para dili ma-break ang record. Hi, Miss March, nag-comment siya sa atong Facebook. But anyhow, Sir Joe, this is really, really, I think for me, if I'm just starting in the BA industry, I think I would focus more sa katong first ni mo giingon, na nag-GVA ka, pero you are proposing automation or value to your client. I don't know whatever the reason behind that, but I think that's how Filipinos are, that we are really proactive. And based on the community or people that I get to talk to, inga na jud ang straightforward ang mulambo. Right? Nga dili ka ng murag robot. 'Di ba na suguon lang nimo. Ang imong foundation, sir, was actually I think lang based on what you shared, ang breakthrough jud nimo is katong muscle na na-build nimo during sa katong first client nimo na 4 hours. Na you are, I think, intentionally just want to develop the relationship to bring value to the table. And murag mao gi-open ang GHL sa imo. Ganahan day kag daghan tabangan na tao Ano man daw, di ba? Real manifestation is if you trigger that opening na ay nga na niya imong ugali daw. So let me give you a tool so you can reach more people. Kasi at the end of the day, that's why we have communities, because if you do a bigger picture, not just about money, money will eventually follow. But the impact, di ba, na you can share to those lives. These CEOs, bisag mga dato ni. Di ba, sir? You can agree. Na, no one has figured it out already. So, natabangan nimo, and if you can just imagine 3-5 hours a day na imo natabang sa ilahan, they can spend it to their loved ones. It's really amazing. Yes. All right. Awesome, sir. Now, may follow-up question.
Sure.
So kaning walk us through now this community. I
Mhm,
wanted to discuss or talk about this community that you're trying to build.
mhm,
Um, what actually inspired you to create this community? Who is it for?
mhm.
And yeah, sell us your community, sir.
Sure.
Sell us.
Sell us. Um, sure. So actually, ang akong nama ko'y duha ka manghod. And what we do sa Montolo, what we do if there are kilala mo gud mig skill set. Ako technical, akong isa ka mangod social media manager, akong isa ka mangod kay sa Airbnb, sa Shopify. So what we do whenever we see an opportunity that we think is fit sa katong skill set namo, we share that to ourselves first. Kung walay mo pick up, ipasa na mo sa mong next na circle nga naa na among style. And then
Okay. Tempa, sir.
sige.
Quick question. You said, okay, this is important, right?
Mm.
Kasi naamagod ko yung mga dunggan usahay, ha? Unfortunately daw, don't hire your siblings or teach your
Mm.
siblings or whatnot. Unfortunately. So,
Mm.
in this scenario, unsay setup, sir? Puro mo work from home or ikaw ba nag-encourage? Kinsay na una?
Okay. So kana siya, ano po na siya, murag it deserves a topic of its own. So um
Sige, sige, sige.
I started working since I'm the eldest. Um I started working sa call center, and then my ang akong mga babae, which is next to me, followed along. Pero ang iyang work kay dili pa BPO ang sugod. And then ako ang sige pangulit na na gusto kay ngani makapalit kay ngani, then mag BPO ka dapat niya. Siya lagi kay, of course, first of all, um, not until you validate your skills, through interviews or mga application processes kay dili jud ka motuo nga naa day kay nga nga skills. So ako sige gingon na you will never know unless you try. So dili man na
Tama,
sila
sir.
dili mamaak. So tabangan ako siya himog resume niya, and then ano ko, sige lang walk in dito, breathe in, breathe out, nya sige try lang. Nya mo to na comment siya no, natagaan po siya job offer, and then nakatrabaho og BPO, so kato wala na po siya ni look back, BPO na siya. And then pag VA na po, ako na po nagabira sa iya. Ano po, tingin ko na ayaw na gana sa sa BPO kay kato lagi na naman may baby duha, so lisod po na si mabiyaan ni iyahang baby, nya makuan ko ba na ako I have the all the comfort at home, to work at home, and then siya need pa mo kuan mo otra shout out sa akong manghod si Ibib, no. Thanks for watching, murag dili bias ha. Sige kung pamiran sila niya kani akong among youngest, ako po kuan na try lang gud ato, but I don't do it na ginapugos na ko sila. It's just that I lay to them na this is what working from home gives you, nga dili mahatag sa mga opportunities na kuan, and I can see you have the skills, nasayangan ko, so why not try mo lang man tong keyword dito, try.
Tama, sir. Tama,
Mm.
sir. I agree. Rule na sa sales daw na most people sometimes disqualify ourselves that the other person that we're trying to sell or service really qualifies us. So, kitag
Mm.
jud ang kalaban sa atong kaugalingon.
Oh,
Wala pa ta sa interview, disqualify na nato atong kaugalingon. Siguro,
lagi.
okay, na may mga factors, ana. But just for those who have interview next Monday, please do say na you have value nga no
Mm.
naa ka na interview.
Yes, correct.
Tas katang breathe in, breathe out, sir. Dako
Mm.
gud nga tabang.
Lagi.
Awesome. To continue about the community na, sir.
Sure.
So,
Sige.
mo to yung mga isuon, you guided them, which
Mm.
nag-build na dayon ka og additional foundation, sir. So now you're trying to reach more people, which is
Yes.
inspiring and excited, sir. And we
Mm.
shared that's the Digi Bistac VA. So
Yes.
walk us through about the name, the history, and what's the vision, and in 12 to 24 months from now.
Sure. So yes, kadto tanaw sa kumamanghod kay they keep on saying na unsa day nang go level unsa day trabaho nimo mga ana ba. And then I realized na um, these kids or akong mga manghod might be other people too, who might be interested in learning about GHL but couldn't find any Bisaya na murag dili good coach, dili good kuan, but just someone to walk them through, to walk along with them sa ilang learning. So na siguro magkuan na lang ko, try na ako, I try to validate my idea kung naagid ba ay gusto nga matuon og kuan. I didn't build it from my own. So I built it based on the community. So it's a community driven from the get-go. Yun.
Okay.
So I posted sa shoutout sa VA Davao na group. Thanks so much for permitting my post no sa napo diri sa Samal watch nga diri sa for Iga post. So I posted there na ano ako na kung naabay first taga-sama lang akong giingon, targeting a very small lang yun, a very small murag segment lang yun ana ko na nabay taga-Samal na nagatuon or gusto mo to ng GHL kay nagplano ko na magkuan in person na dagan kayo ang ni in just a span of like 3 days. Actually, ako target na to for 2 weeks. Kung makakuha ko mga 60 sign-ups, sige mo go. Pero in 3 days lang, nakakuha ko like 150 sign-ups.
Wow.
And then that converted to 30 attendees. I would call them paid attendees kay they paid for the venue kay dili ako ka-shoulder sa venue. So, bayaran lang ang venue lang for their food, for the projector rental, and so on. So that was the session. Oh, diri siya sa Samal. And then I opened it up kay tagan kong nadawat na mga request na, sir, himo pud sa Davao, sir. Unsa na lang mi diri mo na ana. Ano ko sa session 2, mo to na ako na sige open ta sa Davao kay sa session 1, to be fair, sa session 1 na mga taga Davao nga nitabok gyud sa Samal.
Really?
Just to join the session. The first session. So I think if I could remember correctly, including si Sir Ray, who's organizing.
Kano sa ni sir?
Session 1 was last May 9th, 2026.
2026. Okay.
Yes,
okay.
And then so mo to na ako'y murag duha ka attendees nga na late kay ana sila taas mo gyud kay pila nga nagdala sila sa sakyanan ba. So na late sila murag pila ka minutes na lang into the session, wala na gid sila ka-appeal sa katong pinakaunod jud. So ana ko okay, that pushes me to do the session 2 sa Davao na po this time. Kay again just to be fair, okay, I'm in both locations man, so ano okay sa nagpost na po ko sa VA Davao, okay, we're bringing the in session go level na po sa sa Davao. Kinsa interested in 2 weeks kung maka 100 sign-ups ko, then I'll go for it. Kaya I need to validate that because ang sa ako po, to be fair for myself, I'll be spending hours to do the logistics, to create the modules, so that's why I need to know na kung nabagyoy committed to join the in session. I mean the session. And then moto in just I would say 3 days, 2 days, nakakuha ko mga 200 sign-ups, which converted to 70 paid attendees. Again, kay 70 sila man gabayad silang sa ilahang venue.
Very good.
And then moto that happened last just few days ago, last Saturday.
Okay.
Dito sa sa iHub na
mo.
Tama to, giapon naman siya dito. Medyo guot ang venue, so I ended up buying the next space or renting the next space para ma-open tong dagana. So moto dagan kayo ang again ang show up na ko magnala ko duha yata nga wala ka attend for personal matters. And then moto sige gingon sila na unsa ang difference sa free resource that you find online sa ato ang in-person sessions. Ko wala, except that karon sa in-person makita kamo kung nagabuhat ba mo dili or
tama.
So I think that's mao nang ano yun ako, I deliberately chose to do in-person sessions compared sa Zoom. Kay lahi
Yeah,
man focus na matag sa in-person sessions. Although, again, the logistics are a bit difficult to complete, no, no, pero the rewards are high. Yan.
I can just imagine, sir. When you say
Mm.
reward, that's where you are more focused on delivering value to your attendees. Tama po ba, sir?
Yes, sir, correct. So I would call it reward kay ang ang kuan magud ang feeling na matag sa imo just by sharing what you do, because the skills that I share with them are the skills that give me food on my table, diba? So I'm speaking from the experience so motong ang mabalik nila sa ako is that kanang magpasalamat and so on. It's a boost sa ako spiritually. I would call that.
Nice, very good. Tapos, sir, I wanted to also ask, like aside from community, have you built your own contracting business as a GHL, or what's like the background on? Are you like a freelancer?
Mm. Sure. Oh, I'm a freelancer. And then even until now, I keep on getting, even though I no longer do outreach ang most magod sa ako ang clients are come from LinkedIn. And sa LinkedIn kay optimize lang akong LinkedIn profile. I keep on updating that. Pero wala na ako ga-outreach. And then I'm blessed to keep on having inbound inquiries for my services. So the community, in a way, I would use that um, to share my kuan pod the opportunities that come through me. Kay of course matulog pod siguro kung kuan. Nagaman ako og oras sa sarili to sleep. Uh, so, so hindi
The
na
most
ako kaya.
important.
Hindi na ako kaya mo to pass along na ako sa community kay um, through that kuan murag process. I'm in a way vetting the expert kay gikan gisa akong community, and then so I'm sure that I'm assured nga katong role na the business owners are looking for will be kuan yun, will be properly addressed.
All right, very good, sir. So pretty much ang imuhang leads karon are inbound, murag inquiry.
Correct. Yes.
Grabe ka blessed, sir. So thank you. So it's a matter of showing up, sir. No, what I realize now is it's really knowing where to find your clients, or clients should know where to find you.
Mm.
Diba? It works both ways. Tapos I have a follow-up question, sir. In building this community,
Mm.
If you're starting pa lang, like for pila ka years na gani from 2019, so roughly
seven,
6 years, 7 years.
7 years.
Di man gud ko udog math, sir, but anyhow. So kung mobalik ka sa day one, sir, what will you advise to yourself? Murag unsay imong ingnon to get to the level where you at now?
Sure. Actually, what brought me here sa kung I mean, some may call it successful na nga, no, but I'm where I am right now because I showed up, and then first of all, unsa man ang imuhang asa man ka mo show up kung wala ka naghimo og kuan doors for yourself. So you need to create doors for someone to knock on you. So I I showed up sa LinkedIn, sa Facebook groups, sa OLJ, Upwork, tanan possible platforms, that I could present myself to the world. So and then ang napansin man good when I was starting is that the anxiety would settle in kung magsige kag dwell sa putahay. Tarong ba to ko interview? Ang madawat pa ko nga ana kani so sayang ang energy. And myself sa una nga ano na ako kay I dwell on those things, you know, which are uncontrollable. So siguro ingnan ako siya na okay, just submit that proposal, and if ma-select ka for the client interview, show up in the interview, do what you do best, you know, sell yourself, sell your services, come from the place of help, and whatever comes after that will be kuha na siya, bonus na siya kung nakuha ni mong ano, kung nakuha ni mong job, then that's the bonus of it, di ba? Pero kung wala nimo nakuha ang imuhang role, then that means you have to tweak your process na pud na since interview nimo the way you do. But showing up, and two things, showing up dito sa mga platforms, and if you're selected, show up na pud. Yeah, so show up and show up.
Yeah, okay. So, my understanding, sir, especially kasi katong nagsugod pa ka, wala pa to yung mga note taker eh, na na free, di ba? May Fireflies karon, tapos na chat GPT free. If you're starting na dili ka ganahan mag-invest pa. So para mas ma-evaluate nimo, mag-create ra kag prompt na i-coach ko sa sales guy para sa akong interview, mao ning recording, di ba? Dili pa rin sa una nga sige tago na una sabay akong na di ba? Kung pwede ba i-record, etc. Dili pa man tay kato ka. I think dili pa tay kato ka open kay we are in a transactional way of interview. Di ba? Katong BP, tell me something about yourself, etc. But it's a different interview, sir, no? Pag you're dealing with direct clients.
That's right.
Sir, sa Go High level, what's your roadmap this 2026 moving forward with the AI, how competitive the freelancing market? What do you see like a successful career, or how do you see like this industry evolving in the coming years?
Yeah, so of course that brings murag kuan pod no, instability, I would say sa utok sa mga VA, most especially if they think that their role or position can be replaced by an AI. I mean, siguro eventually that would come, but for now, you focus on providing value, because for example the customer support side, nothing can beat kuan kanang a real human interaction. So what does that mean? That means that if you're given the chance to speak to your clients, or just to your client internal team, whatever it may be, you must have that human interaction sa imong ano. It could be, you know, just checking on their day, kanang typical na how's the weather there, mga kinakatawa, how's the weather there. Actually, that's the most important part of the human interaction, no? So I think that is what's not what AI cannot replicate. All the rest, the technical skills, you know, all those stuff, pwede gito siya ma-replay. And then siguro I would say na sa GHL, you know, there are so many ways to implement any workflow sa GHL, but you must have that foundation. Ako hands-on man good ko, so dili ko gakuan kayong AI. I mean, I do AI for brainstorming as my implementation assistant. Pero ito na nga, si VA daw next.
Let's go. Hi, Sir Tony. Awesome. So, thank you. I think I wanted to also share, sir, interesting fact na this is actually way back when tractors was created. Kino tractor ba? Tung sa mano-mano gani. Kaya diba sa una nagabungkal man ng tao. And tractor was created. Same feedback from people. The people who laugh at tractors saying it will not work, murag they remain kung asa sila. Pero tong mga tao na nigamit og tractor, they doubled their production and
Mm.
they gain more money and traction, di ba? Murag
Yes.
ingana. So in terms of AI, murag it's really a tool
Mm.
to use. So far for now, right?
Yes.
Um all right, awesome. Thank you. Pero hawod kayo mong foundation sir kay Go High Level way back 2022. I think that's the workflow and the some of the basics, di ba? Tapos
Yes.
naga-evolve pod mo og AI karon.
Mm.
Um
Yes,
beautiful.
correct. And later on, ano na sila, they plan to murag to become a one-stop shop for business owners. So ano sila direct integration with WordPress, anything that a business owner might need, gina-try nila come up with a native integration.
Awesome. All right, sir. So last question. I think I asked this already, pero
Mm.
what's your
Sure.
typically advice to your attendees
Mm.
to these meetings? Like especially if naka newcomer, na dili nga naka-technical, has been intimidated by AI,
Mm.
etc. Unsay imong ma-advise sa newcomers?
For newcomers, I would say na um, actually effective gid siya kung naa kay tribe, or I would murag accountability body murag ana maskin duha lang mo para just to keep the learning going. Kay mas dali man gud ka madala sa madala sa procrastination kung ikaw Raysa. Wala akong ginang sila isa tab lang sa ilang Netflix na ang altab na di nakabalik sa ilang training modules. So mas ayos na na accountability, not only for yourself kami it's easier to say no nga you need to you need to be accountable, pero mas ayos nga na kay body na makuan ka ng someone who also wants to learn what you want to learn. And then ang pagka intimidated ka, or the if something looks terrifying, then that means that's challenging you, and you're excited to learn that kay kulbaan ka. So that means kana apektuhan pa ka sa tao pa ka, and that's the time that you need to that you need to murag mo focus sa jud ka head on. That's the time to murag to go when you're afraid. That's the time to go. Mao na lang ginaingon kay it could be your breakthrough, it could just be murag free resource lang imo na download. The difference between those two will be how you actually think of yourself 2 months or 3 months from now. So mo lang ang ginaano na ako sa
Nairoon pod,
mga
sir.
yes.
All right, awesome. Thank you so much, Sir Joel. Anything you wish to add to that, sir?
Um, I would say na ano lang guys, there are free daghan kay resources online, and the community is just one of those free resources, pero we offer pero mura mi siya kanang nagtapok lang mo ba tambay lang anything about Go High Level or VA in general. You can join the community. You can even message me if you have questions about Go High Level. And yeah, just show up in anything that you do. Just show up.
Awesome. Tapos sir, invite sila sa imong community which is in our screen. And again, where they can be able to connect for any question. Please.
Sure. Yes. So what guys, you can join our community. It's an open Facebook group, so that means you don't need to actually join. I think you just need to follow. I'm not sure how it looks like. But if you visit the kaning link nato na diri sa atong screen, then you can join the community and then engage in the posts there, because I made it to myself na kuan to be gani committed to post whatever I can sa akong Vault gikan no, sa akong mga client interviews, mga
Very good.
how I build my Go High Level account, or how I build someone's Go High Level from scratch. Gina-send ako dito, gina-breakdown, and so on and so forth. So, So perhaps in 3 months,
Grabe.
si Natay, in the next month, we may have session 3.
Abangan
Um,
na mo na, sir.
yes, for the details, join lang mo sa community because that's where I send the details.
Very good, very good. Sir, we only have a minute to spare, but I wanted to personally thank you. It's been a great, great honor. I actually am excited when I said, kinsay akong pinakauna na guest. So,
Mhm.
ikaw daw, and this is what you're trying to build and put impact to the community. It's really, really a blessing, sir. And again, I wanted to introduce, before closing remark, I wanted to introduce myself again. I'm Jan Aurel, part of VA Radio, and this is Pioneers Hub. If by any chance you miss or you want to catch up to any updates like this, and if you find this very, very valuable, please do like and share our Facebook page, VA Radio, and then you can simply go to our YouTube channel at the VA Radio. Thanks for listening, everyone, and see you in the next episode. Thank you, Sir Joel. God bless
God
you.
bless everyone. Thank you.
Bye
Until
bye.
the next
Bye
episode of the
bye.
Pioneers Hub, right here on the VA Radio. Thank you for streaming with us.
Monday morning, coffee's brewing strong. Got my headphones on, hope nothing goes wrong. With the VA radio boosting your scene. It's the VA radio where you wanna be.